Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 top with a Roland Garros styling. So this car comes with a retractable fabric roof, there's keyless entry, 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted windows, you also get a colour reversing camera. Now the touchscreen has sat-nav, there's DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights, and the car comes with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car is free to tax, comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done less than 5,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.